Good morning, investors, and welcome to your market analysis for Monday, August 18th, 2025. We've witnessed a powerful surge across the US markets today, with all major indices closing firmly in the green. This broad-based rally was fueled by renewed investor confidence, as seen by a significant drop in market volatility. The technology sector, in particular, demonstrated strong leadership. In this session, we'll break down the performance of the S&P 500, Dow Jones, and Nasdaq, check the pulse of market fear with the VIX, and then take a deep dive into our focus company, Uber Technologies, examining its technical chart and the latest news shaping its future. Looking at the S&P 500, the chart tells a clear story of bullish dominance. The index posted a strong upward candle, closing near the day's high, which signals conviction among buyers. This move breaks past recent consolidation levels, suggesting the potential for further upside. We're seeing healthy momentum carrying the broader market forward, setting a positive tone for the week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average mirrored this positive sentiment, with blue-chip stocks displaying robust strength. The index climbed steadily throughout the session, indicating that the rally isn't just limited to tech, but has a wide base. This sustained buying pressure in industrial and cyclical stocks reflects growing optimism about the economic outlook. The tech-heavy Nasdaq was the standout performer today, surging ahead and confirming its role as a market leader. The chart shows a decisive breakout with significant gains driven by major technology players. This strong performance underscores the prevailing risk-on appetite among investors who are confidently bidding up growth-oriented stocks. Further cementing today's bullish case is the VIX, the market's fear gauge. We saw a sharp decline in the index, falling to its lowest levels in recent weeks. This collapse in volatility indicates that investor anxiety has significantly subsided, creating a favorable environment for equities and supporting the ongoing market rally.
Now, let's focus on Uber. The daily chart is painting a constructively bullish picture. The stock closed up nearly 1.5%, pushing against the upper Bollinger Band, which signals strong upward momentum. The RSI is at a healthy 60, trending up and showing strengthening buying interest without being overextended. Furthermore, we have a bullish MACD crossover, with the MACD line rising above the signal line, confirming the positive trend. However, traders should note the stochastic indicator is deep in overbought territory, above 95. This doesn't mean the rally will end, but it does suggest the stock could be due for a brief consolidation or a minor pullback. Key resistance is the recent high near 94, with support around the 20-day moving average at 90. Turning to a critical headline, a recent report from Atlanta highlights a growing challenge for Uber. Riders are reportedly canceling trips with human Uber drivers in hopes of getting a ride with a competitor's autonomous vehicle, Waymo's robotaxi. This news is a double-edged sword for Uber. On one hand, it confirms the immense consumer demand and readiness for autonomous ride-hailing, which is a key part of Uber's long-term vision. On the other hand, it exposes a direct competitive threat from Waymo, which appears to be gaining a foothold and consumer preference in key markets. While Uber's stock performed well today, this development underscores the urgency for the company to accelerate its own autonomous driving strategy to avoid losing market share to tech-forward rivals. This is a crucial battleground for the future of mobility, and investors will be watching Uber's response closely. Thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to sharing more market insights with you in our next analysis.